My goal every day is to make someone smile. It feels like a family, and it feels like I have good friendships with people. I enjoy being on the floor. It fits my personality because I enjoy being around people. No, I don't see myself going back to a desk. They've treated me very well. My spouse was sick with cancer. I had to go off on family leave to take care of her. Proterra reached out to me, so they actually said they will wait for me. This has helped me tremendously to find me again. I mean, I have my moments like everybody, but I keep going, and this helps me here. Proterra has given me that strength and that courage to do it, to show that other women can do this. Yes, they say it's a man's world, but we can do it too. I love being a part of something that is, our future. To me, it's amazing what we're doing, and it's hard to believe that what you see will be on the freeways, in the airports. When you're there, you go, hey, I was a part of that.